Easy learning, simple songs. Little drops of water, little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land.
Little girl, where have you been? Little girl, where have you been? Gathering roses to give to the queen. Little girl, what gave she you? She gave me a diamond as big as my shoe.
It's Itsy bitsy spider. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
If you are happy and you know it. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Cobbler mend my shoe. Cobbler mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. 2:30 is much too late. Get it done by 8:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down, and I will give you half a crown.
Action song. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head, yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed.
Row your boat. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right.